Java programming control statements. Control statements. Control statements in Java regulate the flow of execution based on conditions, loops, or jumps. These statements allow a program to make decisions, execute code repeatedly, or alter the normal sequence of execution. Java control statements are categorized into three main types. 1. Selection statements, decision-making. 2. Iteration statements, loops. 3. Jump statements. Selection statements. Selection statements allow the program to choose between different paths of execution based on conditions. A. If statement. B. If-else statement. C. If-else-if ladder. D. Switch statement. A. If statement. The if statement checks a condition. If the condition is true, the GT associated block of code executes. If the condition is false, the block is skipped. Syntax: if condition, code to execute if condition is true. Example: int num 10, if num 0, system.out.println positive number, output positive number. B. If-else statement. It executes one block if the condition is true and another if the condition is false. Syntax: if condition, code if condition is true, else, code if condition is false. Example: int num -5, if num 0, system.out.println positive, else system.out.println negative number, output negative number. C. If-else-if ladder. Used for multiple conditions. Each condition is checked sequentially until one is true. Syntax: if condition 1, code if condition 1 is true, else if condition 2, code if condition 2 is true, else, code if all conditions are false. Example: int num 0, if num 0, system.out.println positive number, else if num 0, system.out.println negative number, else system.out.println 0, output 0. D. Switch statement. Used when there are multiple conditions based on a single expression. It allows branching without multiple if-else statements. Break statement in switch. Prevents fall through to the next case. Default case. Executes if no case matches. Syntax: switch, expression, case value. 1. Code for value. 1 break, case value 2, code for value 2 break. Default, code if no case matches. Example: int day 3, switch, day case 1, system.out.println Monday, break, case 2, system.out.println Tuesday. Break, case 3, system.out.println Wednesday. Break, default, system.out.println invalid day, output Wednesday. 2. Iteration statements, loops. Loops allow repeated execution of a block of code as long as a condition remains true. A. For loop. B. Enhanced for loop, for each loop. C. While loop. D. Do while loop. A. For loop. Used when the number of iterations is known. It consists of initialization, condition, and update expressions. Syntax: for initialization, condition, update, loop body. Example: for int i1 i5 i++, system.out.println iteration I, output iteration 1 2 3 4 5. B. Enhanced for loop. Used to iterate over arrays and collections. Syntax: for data type variable array, code. Example: int numbers 10 20 30, for int num numbers, system.out.println num, output 10 20 30. C. While loop. Executes a block as long as a condition is true. Syntax: while condition, loop body. Example: int i1 while i5 system.out.println iteration I, output, iteration 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. D. Do while loop. Similar to while but guarantees at least one execution. Syntax: do, loop body it, while, condition. Example, int I1, do system, out println, iteration I, while I5. Output, iteration 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3. Jump statements. Jump statements alter the flow of control. A. Break statement. B. Continue statement. C. Return statement. A. Break statement. Used to exit a loop or switch statement immediately. Example, for int I1, I10, I++, if I5, break, loop stops when I5, system.out println I. B. Continue statement. Skips the current iteration and moves to the next. Example, for int I1, I5, I++, if I3, continue, skips iteration when I3, system.out println I. C. Return statement. Exits from a method and optionally returns a value. Example, public int square int num. Return num, returns the square of num. Thank you.